We're going to start by going from degrees into radians. Our problem is to convert 27 degrees into radians, but first we're going to talk about the relationship between degrees and radians. We know that a full circle is equal to 360 degrees. A full circle is also equal to 2 pi. Therefore, 2 pi radians equals 360 degrees. And when you divide by 2 on both sides, it equals pi equals 180 degrees. This is half a circle. Now, back to the problem. So, 27 pi into radians. Our first step is to multiply 27 times pi over 180. Our second step would just be 27 pi over 180. Our third step is to simplify this. And the greatest common factor in 27 pi over 180 is 9. And when you divide 27 divided by 9 and 180 divided by 9, you'll get 3 pi over 20 in radians. So our final answer, 27 degrees equals 3 pi over 20. And 3 pi over 20 is in radians. So now you have just completed degrees into radians. Now we are going to go from radians to degrees. And this is a completely new equation. So our problem is to convert 3 pi over 5 into degrees. So our first step would be to take 3 pi over 5 and multiply it by 180 over pi. Our second step would then be 3 pi over 5 times 180 over pi. And here you can cancel out the pi's. This would leave you with 3 pi over 5 times 180 over 1. You can then simplify these so it would be easier to multiply, and you'd take 180 and divide it by 5, which leaves you with a 1 over here and a 36 over here. So then in step 4, all you need to do is 3 times 36. This would equal 108 degrees. So our final answer is going from 3 pi over 5 radians equals 108 degrees. You have completed radians into degrees.